What's up with it, you guys? It's your girl Faith, and I'm back again with another freaking video for the girls and guys, period. So we're gonna try this again, and this time I did something different. I already cleared my phone, so we sitting on 61 or 60, I think, out of 64. Let's see. We sitting on 60.6 of 64. Don't come for me. Anyways, we're gonna get straight into the video. As you guys can see, I'm about to post this video right now. So this video that I'm recording right now should really be posted maybe like I told y'all 2 hours after this is posted, because it's not gonna take me long to do this if I don't do too much rah-rah. But you know I like to run my flow. But anyways, I had to do some digging and stuff, and I figured out what thumbnail I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the thumbnail for one of my YouTube videos. I think it's the one I did the unboxing. I'm gonna let y'all know which one it is, because I don't have a thumbnail for it. It's the Amazon unboxing. I got a new ring light video, which was 2 months ago. I have a thumbnail on there, but I didn't edit it, like put words and stuff. It's just a picture, but it is a thumbnail. So I gotta go find these pictures because I thought it was gonna be at the top. I just airdropped them to myself. So 2 months ago. Really, Faith? Y'all, the freaking pictures are literally right here. I did all of that and did not see them because I just made 2 videos and and I took a picture. See, y'all, I'm messing up already. Literally, I had just did it right after I cleared my stuff. But here got the 3 pictures. This one, this the second one, and this the third one. So those are the 3 pictures that I'm going to be using. But before I start, I need to go ahead and upload this video because it did save while I was looking for them, and they were right there in my face. So I'm finna do this real quick and then I'm gonna get it with y'all. Okay, so we got this video uploading or whatever. So now I'm about to turn my screen recording on. Wait. I'm gonna keep recording, but I'm gonna turn my mic on my phone. That's what I forgot to do in that video. So I'm gonna do this here because you know how the audio is sometimes off. So I'm gonna do that right now. So hey y'all see my 3 pictures. They got my 3 pictures right there. And I tap next, and I'm gonna X this Photogrid off because I don't want that in my thumbnail. No, we know, but no, I don't want that. So y'all see how this picture has my camera at the bottom? I'm gonna crop that and just, this is from the video. As y'all can see, I got these screenshots from the video. I'm gonna X that out and go back, and then the reason I didn't crop them is because I'm finna show y'all why. Look at that. See, it will make it like that. That's the reason I didn't want to crop them. So we gotta figure something out now. I don't want it like that. Okay, maybe we can do this, and we'll have to just do black. Okay, so yeah, I'll go with this, but I'm gonna put this one in the middle and have it like that. I'm gonna save it. No, I want to try nothing for free. After Photogrid, you can go to Vsco to add your grain, and Canva. I use Canva for my words, but I gotta wait because I didn't know that uninstalled them 2 and I'm using those 2. So y'all gonna have to wait. Sadly. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna transfer it to my phone. Okay, so y'all, Vsco is done, but Canva is not. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on Vsco so I can show y'all what you can do on Vsco. And again, there go my pictures. Well, not my pictures, my thumbnail. It's just one picture now. And out here, you can play with your grain, in which I don't think I want any grain on here, or maybe just not on this, because I don't know how to feel about that. You can fade your, like I was telling y'all in the last video. So if you want to know everything you can do on Vsco, you can just go to my last video, because I told y'all. I'm not going to be using Vsco for this one, but I will be using Canva. So this is the part that y'all miss, the real deal. So you're going to go type in the search. As you type in YouTube thumbnail, and as you can see, I already have YouTube thumbnail right there. You're going to tap the blank one. And then you're going to upload the picture. And you got to wait. It usually takes longer, but since I'm at home and on Wi-Fi, it's going fast. Period. Why she gotta play music and I'm doing a YouTube video? Yeah, my mom. If I get copyrighted, I just get copyrighted. I don't even care no more at this point. Y'all, my YouTube video, I'm up on it's on 54. So after that get done loading, you size this here, in which I don't think I'm gonna pick a background because, or wait, yes I will. I'm gonna do like a pink purple, like that. So you do that and tap color at the bottom. You can type in, I'm gonna type in pink. I want like that pink on my shirt. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make this bigger because I feel like that's more better. So then I tap on text, and you already know my fonts. I have Cheers, Glow, and Sparkle. Those are the only ones I use for my thumbnails. In which in this one I'm gonna use Glow. Glow is like my main title, in which this one was. I keep on getting interrupted in this video, and I thought this video was gonna be 9 minutes or shorter because that's how many minutes I have left on this SD card. But it's not because I keep on getting interrupted. I'm gonna start over, and I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna talk through my phone. We're gonna let this flow. Okay, sorry y'all, I keep getting interrupted. But what's the video? Amazon unboxing. So that's my title. And then you're gonna make this smaller. And I think I just want it like this. Y'all, I love pink. I always be using pink. But yeah. You can make this font size smaller. So I think I want to do it like that. But we're gonna make this a little bigger. Okay. That's cool. And then I'm gonna add like stuff that I got in the video, and I'm gonna use Sparkle. Edit, in which I got books. I got a ring light. And then I got, I'm trying to think, y'all, because I really forgot. And a Bible. I'm just put a Bible. Even though it's a book, but oh well. I really can't remember. I really don't remember. I can, but I don't remember. What is this? Sparkle. I got a Bible. So now I'm gonna make this smaller so I can see what I wrote. And I'm gonna change the color to maybe like, this is pretty. I'm gonna use that, and for the title, which is Amazon unboxing, I'm gonna change that color to that. And then we're gonna make this that color and Bible that color. So, and then we're gonna go to elements, and we can type in like a box. We can type in a box. Oh yes, I want this box. You can also change the color of your boxes on here. So yeah, that's cute. I'm gonna use this one. I'm kind of make it small so I can put it beside Amazon unboxing. So we're gonna make this a little smaller, and we're gonna boom. That's perfect. Bible, books, ring light. This is literally so freaking simple. And then you download it. And then you done. So yeah, that's it. That's how I make my thumbnails. I'm like upset that I kept getting interrupted. But anyways, this video is almost done. It's on 58. Oh wait, it's on 95 actually. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad, because I have to edit this video real quick and then upload it. Period. I also edited and uploaded this morning. I literally just got done around 1-2 with editing this video, and I've been up since 9 a.m. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video.